Hey guys, welcome back. This week's video, we are actually at the Contemporary Resort once again, which I actually seem to be here a lot lately, but whatever. Today we are going to do a full loop around the resort monorail, the highway in the sky, as you will. So we will be stopping at the Ticket Center, Polynesian, Grand Floridian, Magic Kingdom, and right back here to the Contemporary. So hope you guys enjoy. This will be a full loop. I do apologize for any of the background music. There were a lot of people, will just say, on the cars with me, so it was a little loud, so I'll try and edit that as best as I can. Hope you guys enjoy. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys back here at the Contemporary.
Please stand clear of the doors. Por favor, manténganse alejado de las puertas.
Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. Welcome aboard Monorail Beach. Our next stop is the Transportation and Ticket Center. There you will find Magic Kingdom parking and transfer service to Epcot. If you're standing, hold on to the silver handrails and do not lean or push against the doors. Thank you.
If you just joined us, welcome aboard. For those of you standing, please hold on to the handrails throughout our journey and stay clear of the doors. For the comfort of others, no smoking, please. Our next stop will be the Transportation and Ticket Center, which includes Magic Kingdom car and bus parking. To the right is Disney-created Seven Seas Lagoon. To the left is Bay Lake. Nestled on the shore of the facility are Disney's four-floating resort and campground and Disney's Wilderness Farm, home to Copper Creek Hills in Canada. One of the newest additions to the Disney Vacation Club, this idyllic retreat features the waterfront villas and cabins that combines the importance of the Greek wilderness with the modern comfort of home. To those guests who joined us, welcome. For those of you standing, please hold on to the handrails throughout our journey and remain clear of the doors. For the comfort of others, no smoking, please. Thank you. We are traveling to Disney's Polynesian Village Resort. Inside the Great Ceremonial House, you'll find shopping and dining with a South Sea flavor. For an authentic island adventure, Disney's Spirit of Aloha Dinner Show is presented Tuesday through Saturday in Luau Cove. This is Disney's Polynesian Village Resort.
What's the difference? It's not a roller coaster mom.
To our new passengers, aloha and welcome aboard. For those of you standing, please hold on to the handrails throughout our journey and stay clear of the doors. For the comfort of others, no smoking, please. Our next stop is Disney's Grand Floridian Resort and Spa. To our left-hand side are Disney's Palm and Disney's Magnolia golf courses at the Shades of Creek Resort. Coming up on the lagoon side is Disney's Wedding Pavilion. Couples may exchange vows in a fairy tale setting, complete with a picturesque backdrop of Cinderella Castle. We are now stopping at Disney's Grand Floridian Resort and Spa, a Victorian-style hotel offering the modern conveniences of a full-service spa and health club. Ladies and gentlemen, please hold on to the handrail and stay clear of the doors until the monorail stops completely. This is Disney's Grand Floridian. Ladies and gentlemen.
Oh, that's what we saw.
To those who are welcome. Our next stop is from Magic Kingdom. For those of you standing, please hold on to the handrail.
Over here with the poor guy trees, that's where the sign
I'm sorry. I'm like, I'm trying. What's hold on to that one?
right there.
One time I thought that went back here, and I walked it, it was like end of the day, it was so bad.
They're going to put a little rock.
Was that really?
That's why that crane's there.
You're a deer.
Those are our lilies right there. That's a full-on mad dog right there. Looks like you right there.
I'm sorry for one second. I didn't get it from their mom. I got it. I have that face. He's shy. He's really shy. He really usually not too bad.
Please stand clear of the doors. Por favor, manténganse alejado de las puertas. To our new passengers, we welcome you aboard our Highway in the Sky and hope you've enjoyed the Magic Kingdom. We are traveling to Disney's Contemporary Resort. During our travel, please hold on to the handrail and stay clear of the doors. For the comfort of others, no smoking, please. Thank Amazing Bayless Tower and Disney's Contemporary Resort are part of Disney Vacation Club.
And welcome back, and just like that, we are back here at the Contemporary Resort. It's like we didn't even move. Weird. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the loop around the monorail system there. Highway in the Sky. Hope you guys enjoyed. I did edit it so it's a little bit shorter, just the stoppage time, so it wasn't so long. Thank you for watching. Thank you to all my subscribers. Thank you to all you new viewers. Just click that subscribe, thumbs up. I will see you guys next time. Probably from the Contemporary again, I'm sure. Once again, thanks for watching. I'm Jason. I'm out. See you soon.